Hi and welcome to the Git Masterclass. Let's get started. This course will teach you everything you need to know to get started with Git. It will also introduce you to GitHub, even if you have no experience. Show you advanced concepts from branching strategies to Git squashing. Trust me, there is so much packed in this course. Even if you've got a bit of experience with Git, there will be new stuff you can learn from this course. You're going to learn it as well with hands-on challenges. There are 3 challenges in this course, and to really make sure you get the best experience and really learn everything, make sure to go through all of the challenges. And lastly, it's going to make you a Git master. With a focus on hands-on experience and how it's used in the industry, you're going to be able to walk away from this course and be able to use Git confidently and comfortably. So a little bit about me, I'm your instructor. My name's TJ, I've been working in the IT industry for nearly 10 years. I've worked in numerous sectors, from small startups to huge corporate entities, from medical research to government departments. I've worked in many different sectors, so I have a wide range of experience. I'm ex-Deloitte and ex-Capgemini, and I've also worked with Git, GitHub, and Bitbucket extensively. Now, to share a little bit of a story before we start this course, what really inspired me to make this course for you is I was recently working with Deloitte as a lead DevOps engineer with a project. I was a lead DevOps engineer across 3 different teams. Each different team had a different branching strategy. I'd also worked with engineers who didn't even know about Git and how it worked, so I very quickly had to get them up to speed working with Git and also making them familiar with different branching strategies and trying to coordinate everything together. So I'm taking a lot of what I've taught people in person and bringing it online exclusively for you. I can't wait to get started, and I look forward to seeing you on the course very shortly.